Hey, I'm JR, training manager here at Crutchfield, and if you are shopping for a new TV, now is a great time. LG recently released a new model C2 for 2022, but we still have plenty of C1s from 2021 available. Now, there are some upgrades to the C2. It has a slightly faster processor, it's a little bit lighter, it's available in more sizes like a 42-inch in addition to the 48, the 55, 65, 77, and 83. They use new EVO panel technology, they're a little bit brighter, and they use less electricity. The C1s still have all the features you need in a modern TV. For example, they're compatible with the next-gen gaming consoles. Their OLED panel technology looks amazing. Great contrast ratio. The processor is fast. It does a nice job of upscaling your content. It's still a fantastic TV, and it's at a great deal right now since we still have them in stock. So if you don't absolutely need the latest, newest technology, you can still get a pretty great TV for a really great price by going with the LG C1 series of OLEDs. So if you have any questions about LG OLED TVs, C1s, C2s, or really anything else, get in touch with us. Go to crutchfield.com/contact. You can talk live with our advisors either over the phone or chat with them online. We also respond to your questions and comments right here on our YouTube videos. And as long as you're here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.